Now let's say you've been finding it difficult to purchase meme coins, or you don't know how to actually go about purchasing meme coins, or you've been asking questions, what platform could you actually purchase meme coins from? I'd actually advise you to use DEX platforms whenever you're purchasing your meme coins. DEX platforms are platforms like MetaMask or that of Trust Wallet. Okay, so first thing is first, you need two apps for this in order for it to work. You need CoinGecko and MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Okay, so first off, let's go over to Google Play Store to download our apps, which is the CoinGecko app and Trust Wallet. So first thing you need to do is get CoinGecko. So on your CoinGecko app, make sure that it's actually been updated. If you don't, just download one and sign up. It's very easy and straightforward. So when you open up your CoinGecko, you head over to the search bar. So let's say we want to purchase Shiba AI, for instance. Okay, let's just go with Shiba AI. Shiba. All right, so just gonna let it load, and there it is. So you click on it and it's going to pop up this window. All right, so you can see how much Shiba AI is trading currently. So first thing you need to do here is you head on to where it says info. Make sure it's on info. Scroll down and you'll see the contract address. This contract address are very specific. Okay, now we'll be using the BNB. Always make sure to use BNB or Solana. Anyone is good, but I prefer using BNB for this. So I'll just simply copy my BNB. Now I'll head over to Trust Wallets. So on Trust Wallet, on the Trust Wallet app, I'm just going to open this and put in my key phrase, okay, which is my password. Okay, so this is my password, and now it is a go. So what we have to do here right now is to simply add up that contract address which we just copied. Okay, so you scroll down to the bottom and click on where it says manage crypto. Here you are going to click on the plus sign, okay, or perhaps you just simply click on the search bar here. All right, so on this search bar you paste that contract address you just copied, and you can see the Shiba AI, and then you turn it on. All right, very easy and straightforward. So once you've done this, you head back to the app page, the main page, like so, and you can see the Shiba AI has actually been included in the list of tokens you have down here. Now to actually get to fund it or something, you need to make sure you have BNB. Okay, now you head over to the Shiba AI, you click on it, and as it pops up, you click on where it says swap, and when it's here, you can back this up manually whenever it is, but this is just a tutorial, so let's just proceed. Okay, so we can swap, and then you can actually choose BNB to be at the top and the Shiba AI to be at the bottom. All right, so we just have to put in like 50% of our tokens, and we just have to click on continue. Let's see if this $5 is going to lead us in doing this. Okay, so we confirm swap. Now that's basically how you go about it, and make sure you can be able to get more tokens. This is a bull run. You never can tell what meme coins is actually going to keep popping up out there. Okay, please make sure to hit that follow button.